Okay, greetings and welcome to another training tutorial on Windev Mobile W language programming. And the music you are listening behind is a special music by Mercy Chinowo. Okay, today we are going to be working on databases. In our subsequent video, we had the discovery of Windev. Today we are going to be creating a project. We're going to study how we can create a project, and we are going to create a database to help manage basic activities. Okay, such as the saving of our contacts. Maybe we have business contacts, we have academic contacts, family contacts, and we want a basic application that will help us do that. Okay, hope you are all ready for the ride. Now, here is the first interface, the welcome interface of Windev Mobile. Remember, with our Ctrl W, we can remove our plane, and Ctrl W will bring back all the plane. Remember that Ctrl W can take out all the downloadable panels, and Ctrl W brings back all the downloadable panels. Now, on the Project Explorer, Project Dashboard, or the workspace, as we saw in the previous video, you have the title news. If you can look, I have latest news about pieces of product because I'm connected to the internet. Once you are not connected to the internet, you won't have this option. You will not have this view. You will just have, you need to connect to the internet. You can create a project by clicking on this P, or you open an existing project after you've created. You can go through the unit examples provided by PCsoft, or you go through the tutorials as we saw it in our hub. Now, when you look at this creation of the project, it goes directly to the creation of project, directly on what you can create. Whereas when you take this new, or you take Control N shortcut, you see Control N is keyboard shortcut. So if you take Control N, new, or you click on this new here, it gives you the possibility to select whether or not you want to create a window, a report, a query, code, project, data, workshop, architecture, or an automation. Okay, now with this in the back of our mind, if I click on project here, it will take me back to the same place as I could have when clicking on that creative project. Windev Mobile, as I said, is a cross mobile platform development environment. It gives you the possibility to create mobile applications that are for you can create cross-platform mobile applications. As you can see in the window display in front of us, you have the type of project you can create. You can create an Android application for Android operating systems, an iOS for iOS mobile devices, Universal 10 for Windows 10 phones, Windows CE applications for Windows Mobile. So you have all of this. Now, if now one thing you should note is that selecting an Android application at the beginning does not limit you to be able, does not limit you not to have the possibility to generate an iOS executable file at the end. No. Okay. Now, if we stay on the default, which is an Android application, the next asks us to specify the name of our project. Assume we give the name contact management system. If you look carefully, the project where the name of the project is a contact management system. Yeah, but look, the project is saved in a particular location. The location is inside C drive, under my mobile project, and under contact management system. If I go to next, for example, it gives me the possibility to include attached documents. Yeah, you can attach the documents that are necessary for the running of the project. Since all PC self product work with the ideology of the DevOps methodology and give us a possibility for many members to work continuously on a particular project. Okay, now with this in the back of our mind, which type of project do you want to create? The description. Is it a blank project, or we want to use an existing example so that we can be able to do some editing. We are creating a blank project, of course. Now, we are choosing the devices, given that it's a mobile application. We have spoke about mobile devices, and we know a mobile device. We know that when we talk about mobile, it means you can move, or be moved freely and easily. So for mobile devices, we always often look at the tablet and our mobile phones. Now, you can choose the devices that this app will run only on phones, application for phones, size, or only a tablet, or for both. This is it. You choose for both for default. Then we have now the source code manager, SCM. Source code, a powerful visionary tool used to store project in a database. It's like a repository. We are going to have a separate class on source code manager. So for now, we don't need it. Now, the charters, a programming charter, we all know what programming charters are. You can use a programming charter to make your WA language code easy to read. So with a charter, you easily follow patterns like indentation and the other. So we just leave it by default. You can go further now to choose the guidelines, the style. Here you are choosing the style. You are choosing which particular style is going to take. And me, I just easily like material design indigo. With time, you can have your own preference. Okay. Now, when you have been able to choose the particular style which you want to use, we can go further. Before I forget, you see you have these three buttons here. This is for backward, forward, and the tick is to say, okay, all other rules come in, I know them. For example, we are under guidelines, as you can see here. It is a third of 6. So once you click on this tick, it will bypass all of this and go directly to end to say you know what they are waiting for. Internationalization. Project languages. One of the powerful tools Webdev provides is the strength of internationalization, giving the possibility for an application to be created in more than one language. When I talk about create, I don't mean develop. That means the application can be used, operated upon in more than one language. Once you take the add here, you can choose the language. We are going to have a separate class on internationalization. Okay. Now the next we have we use a database. Okay. We can set to say okay we want to use a database or not. Remember, for internationalization, you see, create a database. If you can see internationalization, you can add the language as I was explaining. Once I choose a particular language, the language is added. I can decide to make this the first language by clicking default language, you see, and you can use this up to shift to bring it down. So you use this for the first language, default language. For now, let's handle a simple language. So with this is how you create a project in PDF. Remember, you can create a project for an iOS, an Android, Windows, so that many. That's why it's known as a cross platform. So this was a step which you could use to create a project in Windev. This is creation of a project. Handling the database creation is a separate skill on its own that we are going to see as we go to our next video. So until we meet again, I say ciao.